Good morning class. Today I am showing you the parts of the flower. This is hibiscus flower, and hibiscus flower is completely hermaphrodite, means it is completely bisexual because of presence of this androecium and gynoecium. Androecium is the male reproductive organ and gynoecium is the female reproductive organ, and both these organs are present in this flower, so that it is bisexual or hermaphrodite flower. Now let's study the parts of the flower. This is the pedicel. This is a stalk, green stalk, to which this flower is attached to the plant, to the stem of the plant. So this stalk, green stalk from which it attached to the plant is called pedicel. So that because of having pedicel, it is called pedicellate flower. Now after pedicel, green leaves are seen here. These are the green leaves. These green small leaves are called epicalyx. 6 to 8 epicalyx is present in the hibiscus flower. After epicalyx, this green tubular structure is seen. This tubular structure of green part is called calyx. This calyx is fused, the sepals of calyx is fused so that it is gamosepalous. Because of the fusion of sepals, calyx is gamosepalous, and these are 5 in number. Now after calyx, this colored part of the flower is start, and it is made up of 5 petals, and these petals are called corolla. This is the corolla, and it is made up of 5 colored petals, and these petals are free from each other. They are free from each other, so that this condition is called polypetalous. Poly means free and gamo means fused. So calyx is gamosepalous because the sepals are fused, and corolla is polypetalous because petals are free from each other. Now these are the non-essential part of the flower. Non-essential means they are only helping in the process of reproduction, not taking part in the process of reproduction, so that they are called non-essential part of the flower. Now let's study the essential part of the flower. This is the reproductive part of the flower. Androecium. Androecium is a male reproductive organ, and it is a structure which is made up of stamens, anther and filament. And singly, the androecium is called stamen. This is the stamen, and it is made up of anther and filament. The upper lobed structure is called anther, and the stalk to which anther is attached to the flower, it is called filament. In anther, pollen grains are present, and these pollen grains are reproductive unit of the flower, male reproductive unit of the flower. Now, after androecium, this is the gynoecium. This stalk, we all know that structure of gynoecium. What is structure of gynoecium? It is made up of 3 parts. Upper part is called stigma. This tubular structure is called style, and after style, this part, oval and swollen part of the gynoecium is called ovary. So that it is made up of 3 parts: stigma, style and ovary. And this is all about the parts of the flower, female and male reproductive of the flower. This is you have to write the parts of the flower in your lab manual, and we will meet with the next practical in next class. Till then, thank you.